In the cable age, they actually got good ratings for the last um, show. Prince, last show, they got great ratings. Great ratings. We'll get beat MASH, that's for damn sure. Ah, shut up. I don't care. I don't care. I listen to it on the radio. We'll just go then. Uh-oh, you're dying on me. Oh, you're dying on me, you son of a bitch. Don't die on me. Hit it. Come on, today. It's just a TV theme song. You're not killing me here. You're killing me here. Come on, Smalls. Come on. Oh, damn it, I hit the wrong button. Got it or not? Hit it. I don't have much time. I'm working 80 hours a week. 80 plus hours a week. No. Well, you're going to watch me have a nervous breakdown. I might as well get a commercial in. This damn thing's not working. Damn it all, hell. Damn. And where's the rest of the roll? Oh, can I get it? Can I get it today? Can I get it today? Can I? No, I can't. Motherfucker. Hit it. Come on, that's not nice. I'm not that bad of a guy. I don't hurt nobody. Today. This is not hurt. This is a TV theme song. God. Watch Jimbo have a nervous breakdown on TV. Yeah, Jimbo will have a nervous breakdown on TV. I can do later. Okay, I can do later. I can go outside and have a smoke and then we just reboot the system. That's fine. It just happens. Okay. Go on my YouTube channel, hit subscribe. It's all your fault. God.